In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files between iCloud Drive and OneDrive. Navigating between different cloud storage platforms can often feel like a daunting task. However, with a little guidance, you can seamlessly move your files from iCloud Drive to OneDrive, ensuring that your important documents, photos, and files are where you need them, when you need them. To get started, make sure you have access to both your iCloud Drive and OneDrive accounts. Ensure you're logged into both from the same device. This might sound basic, but having both accounts ready and accessible will make the entire process much smoother. You'll want consistency and reliability in the software or app versions you're using, so double-check that everything is updated to the latest version. First, let's focus on accessing iCloud Drive. On a PC, you can access it via the iCloud website or the iCloud app for Windows. If you're on a Mac, you can find iCloud Drive in Finder. Open the iCloud Drive and locate the files or folders you wish to transfer. It's practical to organize these files beforehand. Consider creating a separate folder for easy selection, particularly if you're transferring multiple files. Now, download the files you want to transfer. On a Mac, you can easily drag and drop your selected files onto your desktop or a designated folder. For Windows users, you can right-click the file and select the download option. Once the files are downloaded to your computer, you'll have a local copy ready to upload to OneDrive. Before uploading to OneDrive, make sure you have it installed on your device. Open the OneDrive folder on your computer, which can be found in File Explorer on a Windows PC or Finder on a Mac. If you're using the web app, go ahead and open the OneDrive page in your browser. To transfer your files, simply drag and drop the downloaded files from your iCloud folder into the OneDrive folder on your computer. Alternatively, if you're using the web interface, you can use the upload function, which is generally represented by an upload button, then select files or folder, depending on what you're transferring. While doing this, double-check that all files are correctly uploaded and appear in OneDrive. It's a good idea to refresh your browser or the app interface to confirm that everything's synced properly. This is essential particularly if you're managing time-sensitive projects or valuable personal documents. Once this is done, take a moment to verify that the transferred files maintain their original formatting and are accessible from any device linked to your OneDrive account. Successful transfers mean your data remains intact and ready for future use or sharing. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've managed to transfer your files from iCloud Drive to OneDrive, efficiently securing and organizing your digital life. Whether you're working on a project or sharing memories, your files are now wherever you need them to be. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.